Hello, hello, welcome crafters. My name is Maddie and thanks for clicking on this video today. So today in this video we will be using Pearlescent powder, and I did get this from Temu, and this is the Aurora Pearlescent powder set. It does bring quite a few colors, and I saw this and I was so excited. I was actually loving the colors, and I love that they are pearlescent, so you can give your clay a nice touch of color. It does bring 10 shades, so you've got some warm shades, then we've got our cool tone, and then we've got another kind of like a light greenish bluish, and then our pearlescent color, just our white pearlescent. So I do love all these colors, and I'm actually going to be using some foil as well. So I've got some gold foil, and I will be using some translucent clay, and then just some random tools, my Atlas 150. And yeah, I hope you guys do like whatever I make. I'm not really sure what I'm going to be making, but I know I want to use some pretty summer colors just like these right here, and let me choose. I think I'm gonna go with the orange, so I'll use these three colors and then the gold, and I'm not sure if I should add maybe a purple, or let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead with the purple just because it would look better for the summer vibes that I want to make. So yeah, let's go ahead. I am gonna go and prep my area. I'm gonna clean my surface and also my Atlas 150. Let me just zoom you guys in a little bit, and let's go ahead and start rolling up our clay, and then we will divide it afterwards. Alright, so we have our clay all rolled out, and these are the beautiful colors that we are working with. I love all of them, especially the pink and the yellow, and then the lilac is just so beautiful. I love them so much. So hopefully once we do apply them, it does kind of look like the shade on the powder. So let's see what happens really. So what we're going to be doing is just slicing up each piece. So we have 4 colors in total. They will not be even. I am sorry about that. I can try and even it out a little bit, but yeah, they won't be even. Let me just roll this one out real quick. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start just applying the color. Oops, I kind of got some on the other piece, but that's okay. Let's just move them out just so they don't get stained again like that. This is before rolling them out, and this is a beautiful purple, the orange, the yellow, and then the pink. Let's go ahead and roll these out individually. I will start off with the purple just because, you know, my fingers are a mess. These are the colors, and they look really pretty. They are very pastelish, which is something that I was expecting since they were very light. So I do like them. They do have kind of a nice pearlescent sheen to them. I will be cutting these up into very small pieces. Then we will mix them. Just cutting them up into small pieces. Then you can just break them up just so they're not in clumps. Them aside and continue with all the other colors. So I am going to add some of this Pearlescent powder. This is from Temu as well. It's from a different pack that I ordered. It's not from the one that I showed you earlier. So I will be using that. It's a little bit yellowish. That's why I want to use it, just because I want to keep it like warm toned. Let's put them all close together. And I do love the color combination. I think it looks really nice. Probably add just a little bit of the white as well. There we go. Hopefully that does something. And now we can add some of the foil. Let's add that much, and I think that should be enough. So this is the glue that I will be using. This is the Sculpey Oven Bake Clay Adhesive. And I always use it for this type of designs, or just mixtures, I guess you'd call it. And that should be enough. So now let's just mix them up all together. Alrighty, so that is well mixed. So we can go ahead and start forming like a little block. I do wear gloves for this part just because it gets very messy. So I just don't want that on my hands. I prefer to just use gloves, take them off, and then I'm good. I don't have to go and torture my skin with all these different types of mixtures. So this is what it's looking like so far. I think it's gonna look very, very nice when I slice into it. So I will go ahead, put it in the freezer for about 5 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and slice and see what it looks like in the center. It's ready to be sliced, so let's go ahead and see what the inside looks like. This is what it's looking like, and that is beautiful. I love it. I can't wait till I roll it out with the roller and see how it turns out. But yes, it's looking really, really nice. Go ahead and just rearrange them however you think it would look good. I need some purple, so I am gonna just do it like that. Alright, let's go ahead and do the back just so that we are sure that it won't lift once we put it in our Atlas roller. Now it is ready to be rolled out. I will just fold this part in because it's too thin and I know it's probably just gonna rip. So it's ready. This is before rolling it. I think I'm just gonna do it once. I don't think I need more than once. I don't want to really ruin much of the design, like the marble look. And this is what it's looking like, and I am actually loving it. We have the back side and then the front. So I think I'm going to just stay with the front. I think it looks really good. We'll roll it out just a little bit just so we can have it be flat when cutting it. And we are good to go. This is kind of what I want to use. So let's go ahead and use this one first, since it's one of the bigger ones and one of the ones that I wanted to use. Okay, so these are our earrings so far, and I am really, really loving these. These are actually giving me like milkshake vibes, like strawberry milkshake vibes. I'm not sure, and then like a touch of purple on there. So I do love these so much, and I love the touch of gold onto them. I can't wait to bake them and apply the resin and then just see the end result. I will go ahead and bake these, and then I will come back and resin and do all the finishing touches onto these and then show you guys the end result. And this is what they look like. So I think they did darken up just a little bit, but they still look very, very beautiful. I can't wait to actually have the resin on them and see what they look like afterwards. So I am going to go ahead and start making little holes, filing them, and then doing the resin, and then just putting on the earring pieces. So I will do a quick video for that, and let's continue. And here's the result, crafters. I am so excited for these, and I think they are one of my favorite designs that I've actually made in the past. So these here are like a gold, pink, purple marble design, and I love it so much. Just look at this pair right here. So pretty. These right here are studded. And this shape specifically is one of my favorite ones. So pretty. Here is my classic teardrop. I always do love making teardrop earrings. They just look so pretty and they go with any outfit. And this one right here is my top favorite. I just love this shape so much, and the color combination on it just looks so pretty. Just look up close at the awesome marble design. It's just so beautiful. I love it so much. I'm so happy with the outcome of this slab. I hope you guys do like it as well. Comment below what you think, if you like it, if you don't, if you think it's one of the prettiest ones, if you think it's ugly, whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Also, if you guys want me to do a certain color combination or try something out in specific, let me know it down in the comments and I will try to do it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!